Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20849 2006 Linde H25C. It's a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. Shane's going to give a little run around for us. It's equipped with a 188 inch lift height, triple stage mast. The unit does have side shift. There's a hydrostatic transmission, a recently installed remanufactured cylinder head, and a new tune-up kit. New PM service plus new paint. Ready to go. Again, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. You can check out this forklift or any other forklifts at betterforklift.com. Thank you much.